Okay, everybody, welcome to Jada Just Trucks 1/64 scale. I'm gonna show you the new one I got. This is the 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. I removed the decals on the sides to look like a civilian truck. Now it's a civilian truck. 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor. This is it. A new casting I found at Walmart earlier. Like last Friday. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I shouldn't drop it on the ground. I gotta be careful. It's fragile, you know that. That's the interior. Next up, the 2020 Nissan Titan, blue and orange. By model year. I'm gonna line them up by model year. This is it. The newest one. Nissan Titan in orange and blue. Next one, 2011 Ford F-150 SVT Raptor. Here we are. I got two of each of these models. There it is. Next one, we have two 2008 Ford F-350 Super Duty. Yep. Here's the model. It's blacked out. The F-150 is blacked out, murdered out. Look at that. There it is, F-150. Next one, 2003 Hummer H2. Then Cadillac Escalade 2002, red and gold. So here we are. Okay. This is way better than before. My collection of Jada 1/64 scale. There it is. We got the all 9 models of Jada Just Trucks 1/64 scale. This is it, my truck collection. Bye. Have a great day, everybody.